I'm over the moon. And what about you?
I'm also doing great. So, how was your day?
My day is going very fantastic. And what about your day?
I'm also doing great, and my day has been pretty good so far. So, would you like to say something about you? We are meeting very first time.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Avikya Yadav, and I'm studying in class third, and I'm 7 years old, and if we talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are doing skipping, art and craft, and practicing English in my free time. And I'm from Gwalior, but I'm currently living in Sagar. This is a small introduction about myself. May I know about yourself because we are meeting for the first time?
Yes. My name is Neeta Rajmani. I'm from Maharashtra. I am a mother of two. That's all about me. So, why do you want to learn English so early? Isn't it so early? Are you focusing because you told me you have habit or hobby to learn English. So, what is the reason behind it? Do you really like it?
Yes, I really like English and I am very curious to speak English. And I have conversation with Kanyada sir and ma'am too.
Okay, so what types of practices do you follow to improve your English? Is there any your favorite practice?
No, only these.
Okay, so what do you do to improve your fluency, like reading, listening? What is your favorite practice?
My favorite practice is listening.
Okay, so don't you watch cartoon in English?
Yes, I watch Ben and Holly.
Okay, okay, so you are doing great. And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is SST.
History. Okay, why are you very passionate about history? Is there any
Um,
reason?
because, because I really want to know about space, planets, and also so many creatures like plants, humans, animals, and many other kind of things that I like to learn about.
Do you have friends?
Mm, yeah, I have 4 friends.
Okay, do you play every day, especially outside?
Mm, not every day really, but sometimes I play with them because they had gone to another places.
Would like to know your daughter is speaking very well. So, what types of practices do you follow to improve her English? Is there any activity?
No. Actually, there is no any activity which I follow for her. But sometime I try to speak with her in English. And earlier, like she was, I can say that 3 and 4 years. So that time I was not good at in English. But
Hmm.
nowadays I'm not also fluent in this language. But just I want to try speak and conversation with her sometime. So in this way, she is learning, and I show like she is interested about this language. So that's why I thought I would raise her.
Hmm.
So in this way, she is learning. And now, uh,
Okay.
and I don't have too much time, but I also want to connect with the co-learners because of him, because he is so small.
Hmm.
So that is the main reason.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, that's a great. Hello. Okay, ma'am. And you are doing really great because you are putting your lots of effort for your children, and it's amazing. It's amazing, ma'am. I really appreciate your effort, and you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
doing
Thank you.
You are putting your lots of effort. So some people are there, they also want to inculcate this habit, especially in their children. Would you like to say something how they can do it?
I know it's very difficult for the mother, because this is also difficult for me because I have two children, like managing them and focusing in this language. So sometimes it's quite difficult, but if you we can say, if you thought I have to do this and this particular things, so definitely you can do, and you can uh, time for that things.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. If we want to do something, we will do it. But the question is that
Yeah,
whether we
definitely.
really want it or not. That's real. How many children do you have?
I have two children. Like, your oldest is sorry, younger is my son, and daughter.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, that's great. Can I know about your English learning journey? How did you learn this language?
I really want to learn this language when I was in ninth grade, but due to some, you can say, environment and some opportunities to go outside, and that time no any kind of things, like we have this time YouTube and Android phone for everyone. So just I want to learn that language. At that time, I was used to learn, but like some you can say, like study, due to my study and demanded more, like 10th and so on. So I didn't learn, but I have kept in my mind, one day definitely I want to learn. So when I was become mother and my daughter, I was that time I thought, if I will learn this language and she heard from my mouth, and she also speak, like she also try to speak. So in this way, I want to learn. Like that time, I don't know how to connect with co-learner and any other platform, and I don't believe on online, to be very honest. So, but I have which was very wrong. Like, I can say that, because I think in Hindi and translate them in English.
Okay.
So in this way, I was learning, but like something is missing, like fluency, vocabulary, and you can say some conversation, sometime conversation break off because of fluency. So I thought, but in this way, my daughter learned, because she is watching. That time she was used to watch English cartoon, like many animated cartoon. So she learned how to speak, but she very curious to ask me everything in English. But sometime I stuck when I went to visit some new places and market and all those kind of places. So I was thinking, I have to give more time for improving this language. But because of some responsibility, as you know, I am mother, and many responsibilities and
Yes, yes.
many situations in my home. So I stopped learning. But then my second child, so I thought I want to again start. So in this, I stopped and I again start. But now I don't have much time to connect with co-learner. But just I message, because she, my daughter was very interested to talk with others. So I thought, if I don't have much time to talk with them, but see, if she interested, so why not? So that's the
Yes.
way. And yes, and I'm sometime I don't sometime I have like few time to practice English. So I try to speak in English with my daughter only.
That's amazing. And you are learning English for your kids. Yes, it's amazing.
Definitely, I want to learn English for my kids, because this is a very, you know very well, because this is very global language, and if you want to travel anywhere, if you know how to connect with people in English, definitely you can connect with others. and meet the other people without any fear and hesitation. If you learn how to connect with them, if you don't know how to speak in English, so I think you have to lack some confidence and uh, like connect with others. So English is like most important. So that's why I thought I have to again start.
Yes, it's your learning journey is amazing. But can I know what types of practices do you follow to improve your fluency?
I have to be very honest. I am not following this time any activities because I'm too busy. I don't have much time to practice this language. But if whenever I get time, I was like try to speak in English. Whenever I get time, I speak with myself only.
Okay.
Sometime my daughter and sometime with myself.
Okay.
I'm
So
not writing and listening those kind of thing. I'm not doing this time.
okay. Okay, amazing, because your children are very small and you have to take care of them. I can understand. Okay,
Yes.
so in your initial days, you faced lots of problem related to translation. So how did you deal with that problem?
Sorry, could you repeat again?
In your initial days, you faced lots of problem related to translation because you were thinking in your mother tongue and translating language. You were faced lots of problem. So how did you deal with that problem?
I deal like that was very difficult for me because I want to learn. I was very enthusiastic to learn this language. But I don't I was not understand how to learn. And some you can say that I got married and some responsibilities and some changes in my life. So I don't want to go outside because I don't have opportunity to go outside. But and I'm not aware about the like online platform which is provide some skills to improve our English. And if someone provide us like a course, so I don't believe that. So I have one app which is Google Translation. So I think in Hindi and translate them and say to my daughter in English. Like suppose that my husband has about to come from the duty. Then I said to her, your father is about to come from the duty. Let's do this and that. So like this, in this way, I am improving. Yes, I improved that way, but I thought that is not good because if you translate, so you have to take much time to speak with others. Because first you have to think in Hindi and translate them in English.
Yes.
So in this way, my daughter also learned, but she doesn't know like I am doing like this kind of things. Sometime I put earphone my ear and talk to Google and translate, and I'm talking with my daughter. So in this way, she learned how to speak. In this way, she
That's
learned how to
amazing.
speak, but yes, she doesn't know like my mother was doing this kind of things. But I know this is not good. But she learned because she is watching. She was used to watch English cartoons since like when she started watching TV after 3 years, I think so.
Yes.
So in this way, I think so. In this way, I'm improving. But nowadays, I want to really improve myself because my English is not good. So, but this is happening. My son, all throughout the day, he needs my, you can say, take care of me, and he also he stay with me, like play with me and whatever. If I want to do, always he want to see my face whenever I'm doing my how chooses word.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay, ma'am. So your learning journey is really amazing, and you used the AI tool for translation method, and now you are speaking fluently. I don't feel you are thinking in your mother tongue and translating language. Your English is very well. So I don't think that type of problem do you face right
Yeah,
now.
I know I am doing, no, I think you are thinking, but I know I am doing many kind of mistake. Yes, I do. My answer is simply yes, I am doing, but mistake is most important. If you are like I'm also learning from you because you are also speaking with me in this way, and you like show your face with your public. So this is very I can say courage. You have to more courage to in front of others.
Yes, you are right. Interacting with
Yes,
people
this is most.
online, it takes courage or it needs courage.
It
Yes, you are right.
needs courage, definitely. Yes. So I would like to know how to learn this language.
Just whatever you are doing, follow these practices because I don't feel if somebody is there, they learned language by using translation method. So there is nothing wrong in it. Just don't try to translate exact whatever you are speaking, what types of sentence you are speaking in your mother tongue. Don't translate exactly in English, but translation method also helps us to learn this language because I also started from translation method and nothing is bad in it. Every person, so many people think like this, but I don't think that is wrong or it is wrong or it doesn't matter how we are learning. If we are able to speak English and convey our thought, that people can understand. That is our ultimate goal. If we are achieving,
Yes.
doesn't matter what types of method you are using. Okay, whatever you are doing, do it. And whenever you have time, try to listen some English content. So that because now your English is very well. If you put some effort, definitely you will be more fluent compared to now. You don't need to sit and listen. You don't need to just sit and listen because whatever you are doing, maybe you are doing household chores. Try to listen something in English. That also would be helpful because you don't have that much time. Just try to listen passively. That also helps you to improve your English. Okay, so it's
Yes.
lovely session. Thank you for interacting with me. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.